Hi, hello, dear students. How are you? How is your preparation for your competitive level of examinations? I hope so. You are doing great. Keep it up. This is Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel. So, in this channel, I'm going to discuss about the various levels of examination, especially objective type, with amazing super tips and tricks I'm using to crack the any type of question, any chapter easily. Within a fraction of seconds, you can crack the solution. Now it is possible. I'm using the super tips and tricks that is only helpful to you for crack the any type of question. In objective type, time is important. So within short term, you have to focus the more number of questions. That is possible only if you know the super tips and tricks. That is I'm going to use in this channel. So in today's video is one of the important topic. So already on this topic I did the 4 lectures. Lecture 1, 2, 3, 4. Total topic I divided into 4 lectures. So those you can watch, those links are there in the description. Easily can follow the topic. The topic is simply yes, exactly circles. Circles is one of the major topic. So from this we can get the more number of questions in your competitive level of examinations. Especially in MCET, nearly 5 to 6 questions will come. In mains, 1 question guarantee. So not only MCET and mains, some other exams like BITSAT, NDA, some other competitive level of examinations also, this circles is a very, very important topic. It is huge topic, that's why I discussed as a 4 types of lectures. We can now watch them, definitely can follow the entire topic. And especially in today's topic, I am discussing about the exclusively previous JEE mains questions. Depends upon this circle chapter. What are the previous JEE mains questions? What are the various types of questions? We can come across one by one. Are you ready? Yes, now let's get started without delay, right? Yes, we can come across the questions which are previous JEE mains on this topic. What is the topic? Yes, simply circles. What are the previous JEE mains that to recent years, 2020, like 2019? So these recent years like 2018, like that, I am going to discuss the various models of the JEE mains. Already I did the total circle chapter. You know the what are the applications from those videos. Those applications how can you use for the previous questions. So then only can get the idea about the how can you focus the final examination. So what are its applications of the topic, how can you focus in a final examination. Especially this circles is a theoretical chapter. Here we can come across or using tips and tricks, sometimes by the figure, sometimes by the options verification, like different angles we can collect the solution within short time. That is the most important in especially in competitive level of examination. Method is doesn't matter. Is it clear? Now what are the various types of questions? We can look at one by one. Now question number 1. This is given JEE Mains 2020 September batch. The center of the circle lies on this line and touching the 2 more lines, x is equals 3, y is equals 3. We have to find out the diameter of the circle. We have to find out the diameter of the circle. Simply these 2 lines are what? Parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. The circle touches the both the lines. What are the both the lines? This is x is equals to 3. This is y is equals to 3. You know that clearly. Any line is parallel to x-axis, then y is constant. Parallel to y-axis, x is constant. Here clearly what you know? This is clearly x is equal to 3 is parallel to y-axis. Y is equal to 3 is parallel to x-axis. On this circle, center lies on this line. What is this line? X plus y is equals to 3. We can reduce in the intercept form, that is x by 3 plus y by 3 is equals to 1. Means this is a 3, this is a 3 intercept form. This line is like this. On this line, the center of the circle will be. Okay, what this line? X plus y is equals to 3. Simply, you know that clearly. What is this distance? This distance is simply 3. That is only required diameter. That's it. Nothing to worry to the calculation. By the figure you can get the direct answer. What is diameter? This distance is simply 3. That is only length of diameter. Therefore, what is diameter of the circle here? Diameter length is asking indirectly. Diameter length is equals to 3 units. That's it. I didn't do anything, just you can draw the figure. By the figure, we can get the clear idea of what is our required result for this bit. Is it clear? Now can come to the next question. This is also given in September 2020 only. What is given here? If the line x plus 2y is equals 3 cuts off length r units with the circle. This line cuts off length means what? This line cuts off length means what? Length of the chord is given. This is line. What is that line? X plus 2y is equals 3. Its length of intercept of the chord is given indirectly. That is given as r units with the circle. What is circle here? X square plus y square. You know what is the center of this circle? 0, 0. It is center is 0, 0. Radius is r. This radius is r. This length of the chord is also r is given. Now finally we can find out r value. It's very simple, you know very well. So length of the chord, we know formula. What is the length of the chord? 2 root r square minus d square. For this solution, first we can find out the r is already, you know, r only, radius is d. You can find out. D is distance from center. What is center here? 0, 0 to the line. What is the line? X plus 2y is equals to 3. So distance from origin to the line formula is what? From the straight lines. What is that? Mod c by, in place of c what is there? Minus 3 by root over a squared plus b squared. A is 1, b is 2, a square plus b square is a 5. So under modulus minus becomes plus. 3 by root 5 is a distance from center to the line we have. And what is the length of the chord given? Length of chord is given as what? Given as r units given here. What is formula? 2 root r square minus d square. Here center of the radius of circle also r only. 2 root r square minus d square is a r given indirectly. By taking the substitution of d here and squaring on both sides, what happened? Take the squaring on both sides, this becomes 4 of r square minus d square is equals to r square. In place of d, we can write 3 by root 5. D square means what? 3 by root 5 whole square. 3 by root 5 whole square means, what is that? 3 square is 9. Root 5 whole square is 5 is equals to r square. Now by the expansion, 4r square minus 4 9 36 by 5 is equals to r square. But taking the r square this side, that is 4r square minus r square is 3r square is equals to 36 by 5. 3 cancelled in 36 12 times. Therefore r square is equals to 12 by 5. What is r? R is simply root over 12 by 5. That's it. Very simple. What is he asking here? Radius. That is depends on length of the chord. That's it. Clear? What is the length of the chord formula? 2 root r square minus d square. Don't think JEE Mains questions, all questions will be lengthy, difficulty level. Some questions will be so easy. Maybe 20% will be difficult. That is overall the questions 20% means what? 5 questions will be difficult. Remaining 20 questions you can focus especially in maths. There is no difficult at all. Just you have to follow the all topics sincerely, dedicatedly with easy tips and tricks. You have to do the practice. You have to apply the tips and tricks. So concentration, concept is important. So here just you can use only figure concentration. Here use the length of the chord formula. That's it. Now we can come to the question number 3. Shall I? Is also given September 1 of the shift of 2020. Okay, what is that? Center of the circle S. Center of some circle S passing through the intersection of the two circles. 2 more circles are given. The center of the circle is passing through point of intersection of these 2 circles. First, these 2 circles we can take in as some S and S dash. S is already given is, we can take some S1. S1 is equals to x square plus y square minus 6x is equals to 0. S2 is equals to x square plus y square minus 4y is equal to 0. To find out the equation of circle which is passing through intersection of 2 of the circles like this. This is one circle, this is another circle. This is S1, this is S2. intersection of these two circles, we require circle is passing like this. Okay, this one we can find out by taking the common chord of these two circles. Common chord means what? Difference of these two circles. We can collect, that is some L is equals to 0. We can choose any one of the circle, either S1 or S2, by using the coaxial system of circles. Coaxial system of circles means what? A circle, family of circles which are passing through point of intersection of two of the circles, and the common chord is some L, in which one of the circle we can take some S1 or S2. That is a coaxial system. Here I am taking S1 plus some variable. This is called a parameter or variable, and L is equals to 0 we can take. This is a equation of coaxial system. This equation represents what? This represents family of the circles which are passing through line L is equal 0, point of intersection of line L is equal 0 and circle S1 is equal 0. That concept I am using here. Okay, to find out the this equation, we can find out L. L is what? Difference of these two circles. Common chord, that is called S1 minus S2 is equal 0 we can take. S1 minus X2 means what? These x square, y square cancel, minus 6x plus 4y. That is minus 6x plus 4y is equals to 0. But taking the minus 2 is common. This is 3x minus 2y is equals to 0. This is taken as L, right? L you have, and one of the circle S1 you have, that is what is the required circle? S as a, S is in the form of S1 plus some lambda, L is equals to 0. What is S is in the form of? S1 plus lambda, L is equal to 0. Okay. To find out the lambda value, this is a S1 plus lambda, L is equals to 0. Its center is lies on where? Center is lies on this line. We can substitute the center of the circle is lies on this line. First, what is this equation? You can collect. S1 is what here? X square plus here x square plus y square minus 6x plus lambda times of what is L here? 3x minus 2y is equals to 0. Okay, we got the, I'm removing this one. Okay, right. We need finally this circle equation. S is we want. Okay, to find out this one, we can find out its center. To find out center, what we can write? We can rewrite this as in the form of x square plus y square. X terms are here lambda 3x. Here minus 6x. By taking the x is common, that is 3 minus 3 lambda minus 6. Y term is minus 2 lambda y is equals to 0. Okay, now it is in the form of general equation of circle. What is the form here? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. What is the center of this circle? Center is what formula? What is the formula for center? Yes, tell me. Yes, you are right. Minus g minus f. G is a quotient of this one, half of this is. With the minus means what? By dividing 2 with the minus means what? What will come here? 6 minus 3 lambda by 2. And minus f means what? Already minus 2 lambda. Half of that is minus lambda. With minus f means plus lambda. Is lies on where? Lies on this line. 2x minus 3y plus 12 is equals to 0. Right? From this we can find out lambda value, that is substituted in the required circle equation. I am doing here. Your calculation part will be there. We have to concentrate. That is only we have to do here. Okay. This center lies on this means what? We can substitute here. In place of x, what we can substitute? 2 into x is a 6 minus 3 lambda by 2. Right? Minus 3 into y place is lambda plus 12 is equals to 0. 2 cancel. This becomes 6 minus 3 lambda minus 3 lambda plus 12 is equals to 0. Right? Minus 6 minus 3 minus 3 minus 6 lambda. 6 plus 12 18. Indirectly 6 lambda is equals to 18. Lambda value is at 3. Now substitute in 1. It is not direct question. What you have to do? Calculation you can concentrate. In place of lambda take the 3. This becomes x square plus y square minus 6x plus 3 times of 3x minus 2y is equals to 0. By this expansion, here x square plus y square, okay, minus 6x plus 9x means plus 3x. And constant term is no, y term is there, 3 into minus 2y minus 6y is equals to 0. This is we got, this is circle equation. Is not asking only circle equation. What is asking finally? The circle S passing through which point? Means we have to check it is passing through which option. Means that options verification you can do. That's why I have given the options also. Means that you can verify the options one by one in that equation which is satisfied on this equation. That is all a required point. Right? So we can observe that first point. Minus 3, 1 if you substitute here. 9, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 minus 3, minus 6, no. So not at all, it will be true only fourth option. By options verification, we can observe that fourth option will be true on this one. Check it, fourth option, minus 3 whole square is 9, plus 36, minus 3 into 3, minus 9, minus 6 into 3, 36. Plus 9 minus 9 plus 36 minus 6 cancel, it will be 0. So it will be passing through which point? Minus 3 comma 6. That is a fourth option. Like that here question is not direct. So we can come across some more questions. Look at the question number 4, which is also given 2020 January batch. Jan 2020. Mains only. So this video exclusively previous JEE mains questions. Okay, right. Pair of tangents drawn from origin to the circle, then square of length of its chord of contact. I discussed what is the definition of the chord of contact in lecture 2. We can understand. Chord of contact means line join the point. Suppose this is circle. From the point we can draw the two tangents to the circle. Those two tangents are meet at 2 points A and B. These are called as what? Points of contacts of tangents drawn from the point. Those we can join as a line. This line is called as chord of contact. What is this line? The line AB is called as chord of contact. Means what is chord of contact? The line joining the points of contacts of tangents drawn from the point to the circle. Suppose this point is x1, y1. Equation of chord of contact also are given in that lecture. S1 is equal to 0. Okay, that is a different here equation of chord of contact I am not using. What is asking? Then square of length of its chord of contact. We can find out this length and its square. So there is a trick to find out the chord of contact length, that is I am giving here. Just you can find out the chord of contact by using that tip. Length of chord of contact. Length of chord of contact is 2r root s11 by root over s11 plus r square. This is a tip to find out the chord of contact. You know r is radius of the circle. S11 is, we can find out from the point x1, y1. What is the point here given as? Origin. Origin means what? 0, 0. First we can find out S11. S11 is what? I have given the formula for S11. Find out the S11 wherever xy is there, take the point substitution. Here point is what? x1, y1. We can substitute, that is here 0, 0, 0, 0. 16 only will come. S11 is 16. And also we need radius of the circle also. We know radius of the circle formula? G square plus f square with a minus c. G is what? X quotient is minus 8 of is minus 4 whole square is 16. 16. Similarly, f is a minus 2. Minus 2 whole square is 4. With a minus c is minus 16. You know that clearly 16, 16 gets cancelled. What will be left over? Root 4. Root 4 is 2. You know the S11 value and 2 value. We can substitute here. 2 into r value 2. And root S11 is root 16 by root over 16 plus r square is 4, right? This is 4 into root 16 is also 4 by root 20. Okay, this is we got. chord of contact length we got, but what is asking? Then square of its length. Square is asked. What is the square of this is? Square of this. Tell me. 4, 4, 16. 16, 16 is 256 by 20. So 4 cancel here. 4, 5, 4, 6, 24. 4, 4, 6, 24. 4, 4, 16 by 4, 5 is 20. Right, this is the only final result 64 by 5. Here just you have to concentrate on this step. This is to use it to find out the chord of contact. That is not given in previous lectures. I have given here. You can make it a note, right? Now you can come to the next question. In this question, what is given? If the line y is equal to mx plus c is tangent to this circle. The line is tangent to the circle and also perpendicular to the tangent to this circle at the point 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. We can draw the one of the tangent to this circle also at the point 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. The line, this is perpendicular to the tangent as well as touches this circle. Then is asked the options. What is a C relation? What is a C relation is asking. That's why I had written options also. According to the given data, I am drawing the figure. How it is? First, y is equal to mx plus is some line. What is this circle? Whose center is at 3, 0, radius is 1 unit. What is this circle? Whose center is at 0, 0, radius is also 1 unit. Means what? It will be like this. This is circle with x square plus y square is equals to 1 circle. Whose center is at 0, 0. Okay. One more circle. What is one more circle whose center is at 3, 0. 3, 0 is on x-axis. This is somewhere else like this. 3, 0 here. Right? What is the given line? The line is y is equal to mx plus c tangent to this circle. Suppose this is line tangent to this circle as well as perpendicular to tangents to this circle at the point 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Suppose if you draw the tangents for this circle, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 is somewhere else. Okay, better I will draw like this. I will take this line is indirectly. In reverse direction I am taking better because perpendicular you have to show. Tangent at this point because the point is which quadrant? Point is in the first quadrant. This is y is equals line is y is equal to mx plus c is tangent to this circle. Therefore, those two are perpendicular. Rough figure this is. Okay, indirectly what we want to find out the C relation. Okay, try to understand so simply. I will draw the figure. This is circle with center is at 3, 0. 3, 0 is an x-axis. The line y is equal to mx plus c is tangent to this circle as well as perpendicular to the tangent which is drawn at the point some p. If you take 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Okay, from this we can find out C relation. To find out C relation simply we can take first of all the line y is equal to mx plus c I am writing mx minus y plus c is equals 0 tangent to, for our convenience I am taking this is 1, this is 2, tangent to 1, tangent condition is what? R is equals to D. R is radius of this circle is 1. D means what? Distance from center. What is center? 3, 0 to this line, this distance. 3, 0 to this line. What is the distance? I have written here. 3, 0, you know formula. What is the perpendicular distance formula? Mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. A is a 3, x1 is a, sorry, a is m, x1 is 3, that is 3m. Y term is 0 plus c by root over a square plus b square. This is m square plus minus 1 whole square is m square plus 1. This is we can write, take the cross multiplication here. M square plus 1, cross multiplication or squaring on both sides. 3m plus c is 3m plus c whole square. We can take it as 1 equation 1. We have this result by using that line is tangent to the circle 1. Now we can find out one more line, tangent line to the circle 2 at this point. Okay, for that there will be two ways. We can find out equation of tangent and slope. Otherwise we can find out slope only we need. Two lines are perpendicular, what you know? Product of slopes is -1. That is, I'm using better. Slope of this line, slope means what? Derivative, 2x. Circle, this circle derivative, 2x plus 2y into dy by dx is equals to derivative of constant is 0. From this dy by dx we can get minus x by y. Slope at this point, that is taken as some m1. That is dy by dx at the point is what? 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2. Substitute here. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 gets cancelled, it becomes -1. What is slope of the tangent drawn at this point to this circle is 2. Differentiate to 2 I have written. Differentiate 2. Otherwise, we can take the equation of tangent formula also. Equation of tangent is S1 is equal to 0. That one also we can use. M1 is the slope of the tangent drawn at this point to this circle. What is slope of the given line is M1. That is, clearly M1 into M2 is equals to -1. M1 is here -1. M2 plus is M is also equals to -1. Minus minus cancel, it is M value is 1. Substitute M value in this equation 1. Substitute in 1. What happened? We can eliminate the C, we can eliminate the M value, we can find out C value. That is only we are doing here. Okay, M value substitute in this equation. What happened? 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 is equals to 3 plus C whole square. Here 2 is equal to 3 plus C whole square is 9 plus 6C plus C square. This one shall rewrite C square plus 6C. 9 minus 2 is a 7 with plus 7 is equals to 0. What is the relation of C? Quadratic equation relation is C square plus 6C plus 7 is equals to 0. Which option? Yes, it is clearly first option. Here also you have to concentrate process. What is the process? You have to observe that. Right? Let's come to the question number 6 and 7, which are given January 2020 only. Okay, these two questions we can observe that by reading the question becomes lengthy. Just concentrate the reading the question, because the theoretical chapter like geometry compulsory have to read the question carefully. Here what is given? A square is inscribed in the circle, so and so. This circle, in this circle square is inscribed. Inscribed means it will be inside of the circle. This is a circle. There will be square is inscribing in this circle. Okay, this is circle. Yes, A, B, C, D is a square which is inscribed in this circle, right? With the sides parallel to coordinate axis like this. Sides are parallel to coordinate axis, means it is parallel to x axis as well as y axis. Then the distance of the vertex of the square, how many vertices it will be? You know that clearly square has a 4 vertices. The distance from vertex which is nearest to the origin means what? Which is the least distance from the origin to the vertex, that distance we have to find out. Which vertex we don't know. We have to find out 4 vertices and we can find out distance of the origin from the 4 vertices is what? In which least we have to find out. Least means nearest means what? Least minimum. That is only you are doing. So to find out the 4 vertices of the square which is inscribed in the circle, we have the one tip. What is that? I am giving here. That is simply 4 vertices we can find out by using the h plus or minus r by root 2 and the k plus or minus r by root 2, where hk is the center of the circle, r is the radius of the circle. From the given circle, what is the hk? Center. Minus z minus f, you know clearly. Minus z means what? G is minus 3, off is minus 6 off is minus 3, but we need minus z minus f. Means what? What is center here? hk is a 3 comma minus 4. All those concept based questions I did lecture 1, we can follow that. hk we have 3 minus 4 and radius of this circle root over g square plus f square with minus c. You know g square is 3 square is 9, f square is minus 4 square is 16 and with minus c minus some minus plus 103. This is clearly 25. 25 plus 103. How much? 128. Root 128 is a radius. Root 128 shall I write 64 into 2. Yes, 64 2s are 128. Root 64 is a 8 root 2. Indirectly radius of the circle is 8 root 2 as well as hk is 3 comma minus 4. By using this formula we can find out 4 vertices. How it is 4 vertices? You know there will be 4 signs here. Both are plus, maybe both are minus, plus minus, minus plus. Like that we have to find out 4 vertices. We can substitute these here. First of all, h is a 3 plus or minus r is 8 root 2 by root 2 comma k is a minus 4 plus or minus of 8 root 2 by root 2, right. Now this will be root 2 cancel. 3 plus or minus 8 comma minus 4 plus or minus 8 will be. Now we can take the 4 vertices, both are plus. If you take suppose 3 plus 8, I am taking the a as point is 3 plus 8 11, minus 4 plus 8 is plus 4. This is suppose a point. Some b point, both minus I am taking. 3 minus 8 minus 5, minus 4 minus 8 minus 12, right. Now c point I am finding. Roughly I am doing here. Now plus or minus I am taking. 3 plus 8 11 and minus 4 plus minus 4 minus 8 minus 12. Right. Now d point. Here minus plus I am taking. Minus means 3 minus 8 is minus 5 and minus plus minus 4 plus 8 is plus 4. There will be 4 vertices we got. Now we can find out distance of these 4 from the origin. Like first of all OA distance I am finding. Origin means what? 0 0. OA distance from O to origin to this A means root over 11 minus 0 whole square. 11 square 121 plus 4 square 16. This is root over 137, right. OA distance. Now OB distance from O to the B point. Here simply squaring and adding 25 plus 144, 169. We can leave like this only. 169 root is 13, you know well, but for comparison purpose we can leave like that only. And OC distance from O to C, that is 11 square 121 plus 12 12s 144. This is root over 4 ones of 5, 4 plus 1 5, 4 plus 2 6, 265, right. Now OD is a root over OD distance, root over minus 5 whole square is 25 plus 4 4s are 16, that is root 41. Among these root 137, root 169, root 265, root 41, which is least? Yes, 41 is least. Therefore, what is the required distance is root 41. Names are doesn't matter. Here A, B, C, D, whatever may be. What is the least distance we have to find out. Here what is majorly used here? This tip, which is used to find out the vertices of the square which is inscribed in the circle of radius R. HK is the center. Is it clear? Now we can look at the next question, that is question number 7, right. I am removing this is. This is also simple question. This is we can use already. I did the lecture 1. I used there some tips. Circle at the origin, okay, on the tangent to the circle at the origin, right. Now I am reading this question. You can concentrate. The straight line x plus 2y is equals to 1 meets the coordinate axis at AB. The straight line meets the coordinate axis at AB and a circle, one of the circle is drawn through the AB and origin. Means simply we can draw the circle equation is like this. It is passing through origin as well as passing through A point as well as B point. AB are what? AB are point of intersections of this line with the coordinate axis. So you know point of intersection of coordinate axis, what is that? So this one you can write in the form of x by 1 plus y by 1 by 2 is equals to 1. Now coordinates of A, this is line AB. Coordinates of A are x coordinate, x intercept is 1, which is on x axis, y 0. B coordinates are 0 comma 1 by 2. We can think this is A comma 0, this is 0 comma B. I given the one of the tip in the lecture 1. Equation of circle passing through 0 0 A 0 0 B is equation of circle. X square plus y square minus ax minus by is equals to 0. A is the 1, B is 1 by 2. That is x square plus y square minus 1 into x is x minus b is 1 by 2 into y, 1 by 2, y is equals to 0. This is equation of circle we got. Circle drawn through the points A, B and the origin. That's okay. Next, what is we want? What we want? Then the sum of the perpendicular distances from AB on the tangent to the circle at the origin. Means what? We can draw the tangent to the circle at the origin like this. This is what? Tangent to the circle at this origin. We have to find out finally sum of perpendicular distance from AB to this tangent line. To find out the perpendicular distance from a point to the line, first we can find out this tangent line. What is the equation of tangent? Equation of tangent at 0 0. Here 0 0 is just like x1 y1. That is formula is what? S1 is equals to 0. Already I have given. We can follow those lectures. Definitely you can apply here. Right? That is x1. X into x1 is 0 plus y1. Y into y1 is 0. X square y square quotients terms we can write for S1. X1 plus y1. Here x term we can write half of its quotient. What is x quotient here? 1 with minus. Half is minus 1 by 2 of x plus x1. x1 is 0. Half of the y quotient. Already here minus 1 by 2 is there. Minus 1 by 2 means minus 1 by 4 of y plus y1 is 0 is equals to 0. We can cancel out these two are zeros. But taking the LCM is 4. Here minus 2x minus y is equals 0 we can get. Now again this one shall rewrite. 2x plus y is equals to 0. Right? What this is? This is equation of tangent at the origin. Now you can find out distances from A, B to this line. Means what is asking the like AC, BD is asking. AC plus BD. AC plus BD. What is AC means what? Distance from 1 0 to this straight line, that is tangent line. That is distance formula, you know that clearly. Mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. All those are applications you have to know well. You have to know. When you know, just you have to follow and you have to do the practice. Right? That is I am doing distance from 1 0 to this line. That is a 2 into 1 is 2 under modulus plus 0 by root over a square plus b square is 4 plus 1 is 5, right? Plus BD. Distance from B to same line. B is B coordinates are 0, 1 by 2 means this is 0 plus 1 by 2 by root 5. Okay, this is simply 2 by root 5 plus 1 by 2 root 5. But taking the LCM, what happened? LCM is 2 root 5. Here already root 5 is there. Now it will becomes 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1 by, that is 4, 5 by root 5 is of 5 by 2 root 5. Wait. Right, what is LCM here? 2 root 5. I am doing here. LCM is 2 root 5. Now here root 5 is already there. This is multiply with 2. The 2 2s are 4. 4 plus here 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Yes, here 5 by 2 root 5 means root 5 by 2. 5 by 2 root 2 we can write root 5 by 2. That's it. Here you have to concentrate What are the lengths of the perpendicular distances? Means simply how to know the distance from point to the line as well as the equation of tangent. Like that, he may give the questions maybe in different angles. He won't give the directly like a board examination question. He may frame the questions in different angles. For that, ready to apply the all those concepts, tips and tricks. Is it clear now? Next question, look at here. That is question number 8. These two are given in mains 2019. Okay, in this question, a circle cuts a chord of length 4a on the x-axis. A circle cuts the length 4a chord on the x-axis and passing through a point on y-axis at a distance from the origin to B. Here the term is missed here. Distance at a distance from the origin to B, then locus of the circle. Then the locus of center of the circle. Here center. Oh. Locus of center of the circle. Okay, locus of center of the circle we can find out. First of all, you have to know what is the first sentence. A circle cuts the chord of length 4a on x-axis and as well as passing through the point which is on y-axis at a distance from the origin is to B. Means what? Roughly I am drawing the figure. This is a circle passing through some point which is on y-axis at a distance from the origin is to B. This distance is to B means that point, suppose if you take this is some point 0 and 2B we can take. Why it is 0 and 2B? Because of this point is where? This point is clearly on y-axis and y-axis x coordinate is 0. This distance is given as 2B and also given the length of its intercept 4a on x-axis. This intercept is given as 4a. Okay, then is asked the center locus. What is center of the circle? Suppose if you take the circle equation is general equation like s is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Is it clear? Figure is clear? This intersect, this length is given as, means indirectly x intercept is given as 4a and passing point is given as 0, 2b. Then we can find a locus of this circle center. If take the circle equation is like this, its center is minus z minus f, we can find out its locus at the end. First of all, I have taken circle equation like this. Passing through where? Passing through 0 to B. Substitute that point. Passing through P0 to B. In place of x is 0, y is 2b, can substitute here. 0 square is 0 plus 2b whole square is 4b square plus 2g into 0 is 0. 2f into 2b is 4f. 4f is equals to plus c is equals to 0, right? This is I am rewriting as 4b square plus 4b square plus 4f plus c is equals to 0 as equation 1 we can take. Now we can use the length of the x-intercept. I have given those steps, I think so, in lecture 1 or 2. Length of x-intercept formula g square 2g square minus c, 2 root over g square minus c is equals to 4a. What is the length of x-intercept? 2 root over g square minus c. Y-intercept is 2 root f square minus c. Length of x-intercept is given as 4a, means 2 root over g square minus c is given as 4a. 1, 2 cancel and squaring on both sides, g square minus c will be 2a whole square is 4a square. Okay, from this c is what? C is g square minus 4a square. Okay, c is a g square minus 4a square. Substitute in 1. Substitute in 1. In place of c we can replace here 4b square plus 4f is as it is. In place of c we can write g square minus 4a square is equals to 0. Again I am rewriting this as g square plus 4f plus 4 of b square minus a square is equals to 0. Okay, take the 4 is common among these two. 4 of b square minus a square is equal to 0. What is asking locus of center? What are the coordinates of center? Minus a minus f. This is, we can rewrite minus g square, shall I write minus g whole square? Yes. 4f we can write minus 4 of minus f. This is as it is 4 of b square minus a square is equal to 0 is as it is. Now locus of minus a minus f means in place of minus a minus f we can replace x and y. That is only we can find out locus. Locus of center c minus a minus f is, wherever c minus g is there, take the x means what here x square. Here minus 4 into y minus 4y plus 4 of b square minus a square is equals to 0. We can observe that from this equation. This is a second degree power only x. Second degree only power x, maybe power y is there, that is represents a parabola equation. You have to know the type of the curve also. It is not given this answer directly here. You have to recognize which type. Is it a straight line? Straight line means first degree equation. Is it first degree equation? No, it's not a straight line. So in case of ellipse, it must be x square must be y square. X square, y square terms must be available. Is there any y square term? No y square. That's why it is not ellipse. In case of hyperbola also x square, y square must be available. Suppose in the case of circle, x square, y square coefficients are equal. In ellipse and hyperbolas, not equal. That is only difference here and there. You have to know the type of the curve also. This is clearly represents indirectly parabola. It's not a straight line, ellipse and a hyperbola. It is represents a parabola. Is it clear? Now we can concentrate on the next question. I'm very easy way, simple way I'm doing this question. You see. Okay, what is the question? Let C1, C2 be the centers of these two circles. Two circles are given, whose centers are given is a C1, C2 respectively. Means C1 is center of this circle, C2 is center of second circle. If PQ are the points of intersection of these two circles, means what? Indirectly, these two circles are like this. PQ are points of intersection. This is a P, this is Q. C1 is center of first circle, C2 is center of second circle. Okay, those two are meet at P and Q. Then what is asking? Then the area of the quadrilateral P, C1, Q, C2. P, C1, Q, C2. We need this quadrilateral area. What is the area of the quadrilateral? We have to find out. So to find out this area of the quadrilateral, what is the type of quadrilateral we have to recognize? To recognize type of the quadrilateral, first what are the centers and radius of two circles I am finding. What is C1 center of first circle? You know, minus C minus F means what? 1 and 1. What is its radius? R1 is root over G square is 1, F square is also 1, C is minus 2, minus 1 minus 2 plus 2. This is root 4. Root 4 is clearly 2. Right, C2. What is radius of second circle? Sorry, center of second circle, 3 comma 3, right, R2. These I have discussed in the lecture 1, that is concept of the circle, various types of the equations as well as center, radius, all those I discussed in lecture 1. So R2 radius of this circle, second circle, 3 square 9, 9 plus 9 with minus 14. 18 minus 14 is 4, root 4 is also 2 here. We can observe that here C1, C2 distance square. C1, C2 means what? Centers, distances and square. What is distance between the 2 points? You know very well. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 square 4. Here also 4. 4 plus 4, 8. It is equals to R1 square plus R2 square or not? What is R1 square? 4. R2 square 4. If C1, C2 whole square is equals to R1 square plus R2 square, clearly those two circles are cuts orthogonally. What is the meaning of C1, C2 whole square is equals to R1 square plus R2 square? Then the two circles are cuts orthogonally. Orthogonal means what? Perpendicular to each other. Means indirectly This P, C1, Q, C2 represents a square. Therefore, clearly P, C1, Q, C2 represents what? Square. You know what this distance is? 2 root radius of this and this also root 2. What is the area of the square? Side square. Therefore, area is equals to simply 2 square is 4. That's it. Just you have to recognize the what is the position of the two curves as well as type of the quadrilateral, right? That's it. Now we can discuss some more questions. Look at the question number 10, which is given mains 2019. What is given here? If the area of an equilateral triangle inscribed in the circle is 27 root 3. One equilateral triangle is inscribed in the circle like this. This is a circle in this inscribed and equilateral triangle. What is its area is given as 27 root 3. If you know the radius of this circle is r, so you have to know one of the tip. Area of equilateral triangle which is inscribed in the circle of radius r is 3 root 3 by 4. What is that formula? 3 root 3 by 4 r square. This is area of an equilateral triangle which is inscribed in the circle of radius r is 3 root 3 by 4 r square. This tip already you can watch those videos. Repeatedly I am telling to you those lectures. Compulsory you have to follow them. Then only can follow this lecture. Means our previous JEE means questions. Right? 3 root 3 by 4 r square is given indirectly 27 root 3. So we can make the cancellation. Root 3 cancel. 3 nines. Therefore r square is equals to 9 into 4 9 36. We got the r square is equals to 36. What is r square means? For radius square of the circle. What is the radius square? Root cancel. 5 square 25. G square plus f square is 12 of 6 square 36 minus c is equals to 36. 36 gets cancelled. What is c? C is simply 25. That's it. Okay, this is formula what? Area of the equilateral triangle which is inscribed in the circle of radius r, right? Now I can come to the next question which is given mains 2016. If one of the diameter of this circle, diameter of this circle is chord of a circle some s. Chord means what? Joining the 2 points on the circle. Diameter means what? Compulsory it is passing through the chord as well as passing through the center as well as a chord. Okay, you have to know those 2 points. Any chord of this circle is, any diameter of this circle is chord of the s. Whose center of the circle is, what is the s center? 3 comma minus 2. Then the radius of s. Now circle s center is given, radius is not given. What is a given circle? You can take in a circle, given circle as s. For this solution I am doing here. Okay, circle s is here. X square plus y square. Circle some s dash you can take. S already has mentioned. I am taking the given circle as some s dash. S dash is equal to x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equals to 0. What is the center? Suppose c dash if you take, what is center of this circle? 2 comma minus 3, keep it side. Now I will draw the figure. This circle has some diameter like this. S dash diameter is, S dash is equal to diameter is chord of the another circle. This is another circle. What this circle is? S circle. What is the center of this S circle is given? Center is given as some C. If given as, what is the center of the circle? Center of the given circle is, S circle is what? 3 comma minus 2. Somewhere else here 3 comma minus 2. Roughly I have taken. Center of this circle is 3 comma minus 2. Somewhere else here. Like this. Okay. Right. What is this is chord as well as diameter of circle S dash. This chord is simply known as common chord of S dash and S. You know common chord means, common chord is simply difference of the circles like S and S dash. You know only S dash we can find out S circle. S circle center is what? 3 comma minus 2. We don't know the radius. You know circle equation, suppose radius is r. Equation of circle S. Equation of circle S. Shall I take? According to the formula. What is the equation of circle center and radius? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. X minus h means what? Minus 3 whole square plus y minus of minus plus 2 y plus 2 whole square is equals to r square I am taking. Now by this expansion s becomes x square plus y square minus 6x here 2 4 2 to 4y and constant minus 3 whole square is 9 plus 2 square is 4 9 plus 4 13 13 with minus r square equals to 0. Clear? Now you know what is S equation, what is S dash equation. Now common chord, if you take some L is equals to 0. Equation L is equals to 0 is simply S minus S dash is equals to 0. Maybe S dash minus S also you can take. What is the difference of these two? X square cancel. Minus 6x plus 4x. Here S. Right. Minus 6x plus 4x is minus 2x. Right. And 4y minus 6y is minus 2y. Constant 13 minus or minus plus 12. 30 plus 12 is 25 with minus r square equals to 0. Okay. What is this? This is diameter of circle S dash. Diameter means what? Compulsory center lies on this one. Therefore, center C dash 2 minus 3 on this line. Okay, substitute 2 minus 3. 2 into minus 2 minus 4. Minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6 plus 25 minus r square is equals to 0. This is 25, 31, 31 minus 4, 27 we can get. R square is equals to 27. Okay, r square is 27 means what? R is equals to 3 root 3. Right, like that we can find out. Okay, I think so. This is a plus. Plus minus. Okay, whatever may be process you have to know. So what is the radius? What is asking? Radius means what? R is asking. R is equals to root over 27. According to the equation, this is correct. Okay, according to the given equation, and center 3 comma minus 2. Is it clear? Now we can come to the question number 12, which is given mains 2018. Right, I am removing this is. If the tangent at 1 comma 7 to this curve is represents a parabola. I said to you, power of x is 2, maybe power of y is 2, that is represents a parabola. This is a parabola, roughly I am drawing like this. What is this equation? X square is equals y minus 6. Tangent at the point somewhere else, I have drawn the tangent like this. What is the point? 1 comma 7. At this point, tangent I have drawn touches the circle. This is this tangent touches other circle. Circle. So touches this circle. Means what is given indirectly? Tangent at 1 7 to the parabola is also tangent to the circle. Then he is asking the C value. You know, if it is tangent to the circle means what? Center of the circle is what here? What is center of the circle? Minus 8 comma minus 6. C is a minus 8 comma minus 6. What is radius of this circle? Root over 36 plus 64. Okay, right. I have written this is first. 36 plus 64 with a minus C. This is radius. Means what? Root over 100 minus C is a radius. What is center and radius of the circle? You know, that is keep it side. Why I have taken this is, now you can concentrate the conditions. First, what is this line? This is line is tangent to the parabola at the point 1 comma 7. Since equation of tangent, at 1 comma 7. This is taken as x1 y1. 2. What is the parabola? X square is equals to y minus 6 is s1 is equals to 0. In case of the any curve, equation of tangent at the point is s1 is equals to 0. S1, how can you write? Already I have given hints also in the lecture 2 notations. For any curve, if the second degree term is there like x square, we can write x1. First degree terms like y or x, here y is there. Its quotient, what is the quotient of y here? 1. Half of that one, 1 by 2. We can write y plus y1 with minus 6. Okay, same way we can use a circle case in case of parabola, ellipse, hyperbola also. In case of x1, y1, you can take 1 and 7. 1 into x is equals to 1 by 2. Right, 1 by 2 of y plus y1. y1 is 7 with the minus 6. That by taking the cross multiplication LCM here, x is equals to y plus 7 with minus 12 by 2. This is 2x is equals to y minus 5. This is I am rewriting 2x minus y plus 5 is equals to 0. We got this line. What is that line? 2x minus y plus 5 is equals to 0. This is also tangent to the circle. You know, any line is tangent to the circle. What is the condition? What is the condition? R is equals to D. What is the D? Distance from center to the line. What is the R is equals to D? We can use now. What is R here? Root over 10 minus C, 100 minus C. R is root over 100 minus C is equals to D is perpendicular distance from, D is what? Perpendicular distance from center to this line. That is 2 into minus 8 minus 16 plus 6 plus 5 by root over a square plus b square, 2 square 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. You know what is this difference? Minus 16 plus 6 is minus 5. Minus 16 plus 6 is minus 10. Minus 10 plus 5 is minus 5. Under modulus minus becomes plus. 5 gets cancelled, it becomes 1. Take squaring on both sides, what happened? 100 minus c is equals to 1. Right? What is c value? Oh, somewhere else. 2, 8, 16 here. Right, correct. 2 into minus 8 minus 16. Minus 6 into minus 1 plus 6 plus 5. This is correct only. 2x minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0, right? Minus 16 plus 6 minus 10 plus 5 is minus 5 plus 5 gets cancelled, becomes 1. Root over a root 5 this is. Right, root over a square plus b square root 5. You know, 5 by root 5 is a root 5. Right. Squaring on both sides, it becomes 5. What is c value? C is a 95. Right. Root over a square plus b square formula you have to use. Like this, we can find out some unknown value c. Is it clear now? These two questions are simple, but you have to concentrate while reading the question, especially in geometrical part, mainly theoretical part, not only geometry, wherever maybe theoretical part is there, read the question carefully. Is it clear now? Yes, in today's video, I discussed about the previous JEE mains questions on various models which are depends on the circles. You know, there will be entire topic lecture 1, 2, 3, 4 are already there in the YouTube. Those links are given in the description. You can watch them along with the other videos. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can make a comment. Definitely I will rectify your doubts. So make sure if you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe. I will come with the new topic in the new video. Especially I am going to discuss about the previous MCET questions, various types of questions on this same circle chapter. Till then, take care. Bye.